How's it going, streamers? So you're setting up your page on Twitch and you need to put all the relevant information in. I'm going to give you a quick guide on adding the banners to your profile as well as the information as well. Alright, so we are over here on Twitchery and I'm just going to navigate to my profile up in the top right hand corner here and we're going to go channel. You then go to your about section here and you want to click on edit panels. So as you can see, I have a whole range of beautiful looking panels and heaps of information. So you're going to hit edit panels. Now if this was a fresh profile, you would come down to where you see the plus button, add a text or image panel, add image, choose a file or drag it here. So once again, I have all my stuff designed myself. If you have someone designing for you, then just navigate to that folder and you want to click on that. Now, be sure to expand that out to select the whole image. You're then going to hit done. Now, if you have a link, this is where you can add it into. So image links to, so when a viewer presses on that button on your profile, it'll actually link to a web page. You could have, you know, a YouTube banner and then it links to YouTube. Now, if you want any information, I would chuck it down the bottom here and then you're going to hit submit. Now, give it a second. If it comes up with a red warning, which it did just pop up down the bottom, do not worry. Just make sure that submit's grayed out, then scroll back up to edit panels, turn that off, and Bob is your uncle. Bob is your uncle. Here is the new panel that we've just added. I just want to be a big boy streamer. So it's literally that simple, guys. I do highly recommend that you make some basic panels, even just to get yourself started, an about me section, links to your social media, YouTube, that sort of thing, just to give people a bit of information about you as well. If you're leaving your profile blank, it just doesn't add that much to your profile, and I highly recommend that you do it. So that's how you do it, and we'll see you guys in the next video.